We're here to talk about earning passive daily income from Adsense ads, not YouTube partnership program, Adsense ads that show on websites and blogs. And when you produce a foundation, a solid foundation of a website or blog that starts attracting more visitors every day, companies like that, and they are willing to pay to have their ad on your website or blog's real estate space. I'm all for ads. That's how I generate some streams of income. And I've been studying the topic for a very long time, and I'm finally here producing daily passive income, pennies a day. Sometimes it's over $1, but now it's happening. It's happening more often. So let me show you how I learned how to use this plugin much better to help me every time I create new blog posts or web pages. The ads automatically show on the pages without me manually entering a code. And the process, speeding up the process, which means I'm producing more URLs, which means more URLs are getting indexed into the search engines. Here we go. I'm using a plugin, and the plugin, Ad Inserter Pro. And I changed the codes to hide my, AdSense publisher ID and stuff like that, but I still left it here to show you. AdSense second paragraph. If I go to my website, this is the homepage of my website/blog. And you can see there's an AdSense ad on top, and I added one in the sidebar. That's something I didn't have for a very long time. But I also have a floating ad. I'm not overkill with the ads, but this is what I'm going to do for a while. One on top, one on the sidebar, and one floating on the bottom. We'll talk about that later, but I'll show you right now. Here we go. AdSense second paragraph. AdSense for the sticky ad. That's the floater ad. I'm going to skip number 3 because I didn't change that because it's not active. This is not active, but I took this one down because I didn't like it below the content. I went with the for the sticky ad. Blog homepage, top page, AdSense ad. That's this one right here. I love it. And YouTube banner on homepage. That's my banner right here that shows in between each post promoting a YouTube channel. Now what I'm going to do is, on my latest blog post, Dumpling App Shopping Business, I'm going to click on Read More. And as you can see here, it is beautiful. There's an ad on top. There's one ad on the side. They're not always the same, just so you know that. Just for this example, this popped up. I'll do another one in a moment. But see this floating ad on the bottom and how it stays in place as the visitor is scrolling, and they can always close it if they want to. I like one ad in the sidebar. I'm really happy I went back to that because I've seen an increase of impressions in my AdSense account, and one on top. Let me do another one. Let me go back. Oh, you know what? Oh yeah, let me go back to the home page. Let it do its thing. That pops up. Only have one pop up, that's all. Let me go to Eligible Cryptocurrency Wallet. Let's see what happens. See, now there are 3 different ads. There's a clothing ad on top. There's this ad on the sidebar. And a sticky floating ad on the bottom. And I use the Ad Inserter plugin, the free version, to do that. Now, I'm here to tell you, I'm speaking louder because my neighbor's very loud and I don't want her in the video. So, I'm sharing with you the adjustments that I've made in the past week that I've already noticed an increase of impressions in my AdSense account. It has nothing to do with YouTube partnership program. I feel this is a realistic goal. By the summertime, earn $5 a day in daily passive income from the ads showing on my websites. That's my goal. And I feel that I can achieve that. So I wanted to share you the adjustments, learning how to use programs plugins more confidently, figuring out what, style and where to put the ads work for you. I used to have a sticky ad on top. I didn't like that. I like it on the bottom. Oh, this is something else to show you too. This is very, very important. Very important. Using this Ads Inserter Pro, on top, you see the categories. See the categories? Let me choose a different one now. I'm going to choose cryptocurrency. And you see my intros here, which makes it more attractive to search engines. And I haven't even gotten to the meta name description on each category or tag, but I'm getting there. But you see there's an ad on top. There's an ad on the side, but no ad on the bottom. See, there's no sticky floating ad on the bottom. No, there isn't. Why? Because with this website, I use the free version, and I have the pro version for my other website that I'm planning on building on. The floating sticky ad do not show on category URLs and tag URLs, but they do show on blog posts, full blog posts. Do you hear me? That's something you have to use it to really understand. It took me a long time to figure that out. Well, I figured it out. And now I'm here. And now I plan on banging out amazing content and having ads, and not overkill of ads. Just enough ads to generate another stream of daily residual, daily passive income, working in my favor while I'm going about my business. Every time I create a new blog post, it increases the odds of me earning AdSense revenue from my websites and my blog posts. So I hope you found this interesting. And I just wanted to share that with you. The more I learn and it confirms I really do understand what I'm doing, I'm sharing it with you because you can get to this stage. You can get to this level. It took me, I started using this plugin about a year ago. And look, like I'll say 10 months later, I finally really understand what I'm doing. And it wasn't easy. And there's a lot more to the plugin. And it's free. Completely free. Why not use it while it's free? They give you like 16 ad spots for free. I guess they anticipate people getting so good, they'll need more than that. I'll let you know in the future. So stay tuned, and I closed that. Please give a like and subscribe if you appreciate the content that I just shared here. I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.